Hello everyone! Have you ever run out of vinegar at home? Or always find yourself buying it again and again? Well, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to make your own homemade vinegar using a simple and easy to follow recipe. So, make sure to watch until the end. But before we start, let's first understand what fermentation is. Fermentation is a process where microorganisms like bacteria or yeast break down sugars or other substances into simpler compounds, producing acids, gases, or other useful products. And that's exactly how vinegar is made. Here are the materials and ingredients we will need: a container, sugar, water, cling wrap, funnel, and strainer. For this video, we will use apple to make apple cider vinegar and pineapple to make fruit vinegar. First, wash the fruits thoroughly and cut them into small cubes. Next, place the cut fruits into a clean container. In another container, dissolve sugar in water and mix it well until the sugar is completely melted. Then add the fruit pieces into the sugar solution and stir gently. Now, transfer the mixture into a larger container. Cover it tightly with cling wrap and let it sit for 30 days. You might be wondering, why 30 days? That's because during this time, the sugar and other compounds in the fruit will break down through fermentation, turning into vinegar. After 30 days, remove the cling wrap and separate the fruits from the liquid using a strainer. Then boil the liquid to pasteurize and refine your homemade vinegar. Finally, pour it into a clean bottle and you're done. You've just made your very own homemade vinegar that is fresh, natural, and budget-friendly. And that's it for today's video lesson. Now you know how science, through fermentation, helps us make something as simple and useful as vinegar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.